Matthew Carpentier's article, Against Legal Facts, presents a robust critique of the contemporary reframing of the central debate in legal philosophy, particularly the dispute between legal positivists and their opponents. Carpentier argues that this new framing, which characterizes the core issue as whether legal facts, facts about the content of the law, are determined by social or moral facts, is deeply problematic and should be resisted. His first major objection is that the category of legal facts is overbroad and conflates distinct issues. He meticulously distinguishes between facts about the existence of legal norms, facts about the content of those norms, and facts about normative states of affairs. Carpentier insists that legal positivism, at its core, is only a thesis about the existence or membership of legal norms, the question of what makes a norm belong to a legal system. This is a fundamentally atomistic view, whereas the language of legal facts surreptitiously invites a holistic conception of legal content, as championed by figures like Ronald Dworkin and Mark Greenberg. By accepting this framing, positivists are forced to defend the idea that all legal content is determined by social facts, a position they do not need to hold and which is not essential to their theory. Secondly, Carpentier contends that this legal facts discourse has been instrumental in the metaphysical turn in jurisprudence, particularly in the growing literature on grounding. He argues that this metaphysical approach impoverishes legal philosophy by obscuring important, dynamic features of law, such as the existence of judicial discretion and genuine normative conflicts. For instance, framing a hard case like Riggs v. Palmer in terms of a pre-existing, legal fact, about whether Elmer Palmer can inherit misses the point that such a fact may not exist prior to a judicial decision. The judge might be creating law, not discovering a pre-existing fact. Similarly, the metaphysical grounding framework struggles to accommodate genuine conflicts between legal norms, as it presupposes a singular, consistent set of legal facts to be grounded. In conclusion, Carpentier argues that the category of legal facts is a Trojan horse that undermines legal positivism by forcing it to adopt a holistic, metaphysical framework that is alien to its core tenets. He advocates for a return to the norm-first picture of law, where legal systems are understood as consisting of norms whose membership is determined by social facts, and their content is a separate, more complex question that may involve moral reasoning and institutional processes. This allows for a more nuanced and accurate understanding of the law, particularly its dynamic and often indeterminate nature.